Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty Buzz with Lori. So we're continuing our theme of getting our skin back into shape after summer. So I know you guys had some fun in the sun over the summer, and we've talked about a few other things previous videos. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about doing a series of chemical peels. So we do chemical peels ranging from light chemical peels all the way into medium depth chemical peels. Your light chemical peel is going to be very minimal downtime for you. That's going to be something that you can go right back to work and do this on even a lunch break if you wanted to. It's a 30-minute appointment to apply the peel, and we pick the peel based on your concerns and what you want to achieve through this process. So then your mid-depth peels are going to be a little bit more downtime, so anywhere between a week and 14 days downtime, depending upon the percentages that we use. So again, we have many different levels of peels here at this office, and so it's going to require you to come in for a consultation so that we can decide what's going to work specifically for you. We can customize and tailor it just for your needs. So go ahead and give us a call today. We look forward to hearing from you.